If you can remember this front drag link, this heavy duty drag link, I couldn't get the track rod end in, the right hand thread. And there's lots of suggestions about how to clean the thread out, which I already sort of knew, but this really needed a tap. And I waited a bit and it just came. That's why I'm in my coat. I've just popped out the mailbox. Of course, couldn't find my bloody tap wrench, but it doesn't really matter. Let's have a look and see how much rubbish was removed. Now this is a bottoming tap, that's the only one I could find, but it's still done the job, I hope. But it was tight. Oh boy, was it tight. So let's see if we can get any rubbish off. It might actually just drop down inside. I don't know. I'll have to find my big tap wrench somewhere. Where the hell has it gone? Right, let's have a look. Well, not that much rubbish, but you can see where it's cut in. Wait a minute, see if I can stand there with my coat on like that and see if it'll focus in. Is it? There we go. So it has taken quite a bit of metal off. Now, let me go and get some. Oh, it's already got thread guard on this. Let me go and put some more thread guard on and we'll try it. Here it goes. Now remember, it was getting really tight. Oh, look at that. Oh, sports car. See, that's what you want. You want that nice. Look at that, all the way down to the bottom. Excellente. Ah, that's what it should be like. Because you see, we could sort of use all sorts of techniques, but there's nothing beats a tap to take out that little bit of damaged thread inside. That's lovely now. You know, for a few years now it's got thread guard on. That's going to be good for a long time. So I'm just going to go shopping back in a minute, and then we'll set the distances up on this drag link. So with the drag link now in the vise and this ball joint on the end is nice and free, 924 millimeters between the hole here, the centre of the hole, and fortunately this one's got a grease nipple in it. Ooh, nipple. So that gives us a good centre. So 924 is what we're looking for. Let's put this onto here and I'll eyeball up that one. Kind of easy to do. Oh, 900. Oh, just shy of 920, so we have to come out a bit. Let's try that. Now I've got this end here, I've got this end flat and level. So they should go parallel to each other. Ooh. Ah, God, do you think I've done this before, wouldn't I? There we go. Pull the tape tight. 924. So, thought I'd practice that, didn't you? And the next thing is to put the tie rod clamp bolt on, and we're going to nip it. See, I've just pulled that bolt up a bit, but let's back it off a bit. And if you can see just there, there's the joint going this way. So we're going to put our clamp so that the bolt is at 90 degrees to there, and we're going to put it as close to the end as we can. We don't want the clamp to go over the edge. It has to be on the actual reduced section. This is obviously a heavy duty one, so you know, yours would probably be just a standard parallel tube, but don't let the clamp go to right off the end, because you'll twist the clamp and it becomes useless. So we'll tighten that up. It don't have to be sort of monster tight. And probably you can see that there's grease squidging out of there. There we go. That's tight now. You can see I've put a flange nut on there, a nylock flange nut, and the bolt's threads are sticking out at the end. What do we do with that? give it a nice little coating of anti-seize, because it might be me who's taking it off next time. So I hope you like that. That's how to set your drag link up, and those problems we had corrected with the correct tap. Alright, so we'll catch you in the next video, which will probably be, can we resurrect these Land Rover Jacks? There's something to look for.